Alright, YouTube, I got my clothes changed and I'm gonna get started on the swap. The way we're gonna do this one right here is we're gonna start with the wire harness. The way I like to do my engine swaps on these particular vehicles is a lot of people like to go one by one and remove each individual sensor. Instead of doing that, I feel it's a lot faster if I just, take one solid wire, disconnect it, and put it onto the engine. And this way it makes it a lot more simple. It makes the swap simpler. All right, so now all I'm gonna have to really worry about right now is taking off the front member. That's the front radiator support. And after I take off the front radiator support, I'm gonna have more access to the engine. All right, so it's good. All right. So first thing first, you have to remove the battery. So what I did was take the battery out of this thing. Remove the battery so this way I can start separating the wire harness. Now that I got the battery out, I went ahead and I disconnected this cable right here. Because I'm going to take this cable off and I'm going to leave this cable with the engine. I'm going to do the same thing with this wire harness right here. I'm going to take that wire harness, right? Take that wire harness, I'm going to take it off, I'm going to leave it with the engine. And I'm going to have the wire harnesses with the engine. So this way, I don't have to disassemble anything from this engine, and I could disconnect the wire harness and have the wire harness on the engine. After we move from the wiring, we're going to move to the cooling system, because then we have to disconnect the cooling system. After we disconnect the cooling system, we're going to remove the front member support, because it's the radiator support, because we're removing the engine from the front, right out the nose of the car. This is a G35. Now, this power goes right here. Right? We remove this cowl. After you remove that cowl, you have access to the wire harness. If you look over here, the wire harness is teed off to a Y, and that goes around, goes down to these three connectors here. I'm gonna disconnect these three connectors. Alright? Take the wire harness apart, and you're gonna go down to this box right here. To this little unit right here. And you're gonna have to open this up to get the wire harness through. See that? It's sealed off. Alright, but we're gonna have to break that seal. We're gonna have to open this up, pull the wire harness through. Alright? After we pull the wire harness through, well, before we pull the wire harness through, we gotta go from the inside of the car to disconnect that wire harness. Alright, now that I'm inside the car, what I want to do is I want to get on the passenger side, and I'm going to come down here. Alright, I'm going to need to get access to that wire harness, which is tucked up under here. Alright, so first thing first is, usually some guys like to remove all of this extra stuff, but I don't do that. I go straight to the bottom, start to go down here, and I remove this thumb cowl right here. Now that I got that removed, I got access. Now it's unplugged. The job isn't done yet. that wire tees off. And disconnect that wire. After a grueling ordeal, I finally got this out. The little tab you're supposed to pull down and swing it forward. This tab you pull down, you pull it down and swing it forward. So this thing is gonna be up in here. You gotta stick a flathead on the back of it, pull it down, swing it forward. Now this right here should be the wire harness that we're pulling through. So all I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna run my arm underneath there, make sure I don't got nothing else connected, no grounds, nothing connected, so I could pull the wire harness straight through on the other side on the engine bay. Now that I verified that there's nothing, I can pull this thing straight through.
Before I pull that through, I gotta disconnect this right here.
Now I got this disconnected wire harness, two plugs that was inside, and I broke the seal loose. Pull my wire harness through. On the inside of the car. Now my wire harness is exposed. All I gotta do is take the wire harness, lay it down. Wiring is done. Make it work smarter, not harder. Alright. So what I do was I went ahead and removed the fuel pressure regulator. Right here. Hooked up right there. It was 2 times. I took that off. I swung it over here. Fuel pressure regulator off. Now I got it. See this hose right here? I either can remove it from right there, or I can remove it from back there. Alright, which is the firewall. To make things easier on myself. Right. Dirty. I'm holding my butt. Most of that front end off. Now, gotta look out for the latch. The latch gonna come off. Instead of trying to fish the latch out, I just take it out of the whole assembly. Take these big bolts over here. And then let this line loose right here to the front end out. Take this turn and let it ball off right here. Disconnect this hose.
AC counter. I swung it over to the side. Disconnected the AC lines already. Both the AC lines. Now I'm about to take the power steering line off right here. But I gotta first get the drain. Alright guys, thank you again for following me. You know we back at you. I got the Infiniti G35. And I was working on that earlier. I had to take a quick break to get my hair cut. Thank you. Alright. Back at you again. Continue the engine swap. First and foremost, go ahead and get the boots on. Okay, so I swing the condenser to the side over here. So if you look, you see the condenser right here. All I did was spin it out to the side. Now what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna jack the vehicle up, and I gotta take this bolt off of the actual power steering pump. Yes, that bolt right there. That bolt off. Got my wire harness out already, and I got this cable already, which is the cable that comes from the alternator. It's ready right here. After I take that bolt off, I'm gonna either disconnect the reservoir line, or I'm gonna leave the reservoir connected to the engine. Then we have to jack it up, of course. I gotta go back there, and I gotta disconnect the exhaust flange on both sides. Out for the AC, got the lines out for the power steering. I disconnect the exhaust. Flames on the bottom right here. See that? If it ain't foreign, it's born. So, Daddy.
connected. Only no shoes. Get the wire harness off. Just for form. Because if it ain't form,
Oh, it's stuck right here. Right here. Oh, it's gone now.
just for foreign. If it ain't foreign, it's born. It's out. Show them the engine bay. It's out. It's out. Put the transmission back. This is the actual clutch that they got on here. See the clutch? Well, this is the pressure plate. Clutch, it looks like they might have some kind of aftermarket clutch in here. Alright. That's the job well done. I should be able to get the engine in by tomorrow. Get it paid by tomorrow.